Let's see. Hi, my name is Mohsen. I am in Professor Ian Chung's lab. This poster is about measuring blood flow through the technique called OSIF. This technique working principle is here described as the correlation technique. With the experimental setup and the characterization of this technique is done by solid diffuser and fluid phantom. Lastly, the application here we use is the photothrombosis model, in which we did the before, during and after photothrombosis, and this technique gives the blood flow measurement of velocity, which means that it gives the magnitude and direction together simultaneously. Thank you.
Hello, this is Mohammad Mubarak Karim from Professor Kunhak's lab. So we are working for photon microscopy development. So as a part of my project, I am working for lens design. Achromatic doublets as a scale lens. Commonly used achromatic doublets has a poor performance due as a scale lens. That is why it is possible to get better diffraction limited image by using some optimal method. And here this analysis shows some of the very easy design for achromatic doublet as a scale lens. This is where we are up to. Thank you for your time consideration.
Okay. Hello, my name is Dong-Young Kim. I'm from the Professor Reggie Park Peroxisome and Lipid Metabolism Lab, and right now my current poster, the title is like Investigation of the Novel Therapeutic Targets for Heart Failure using the Multi-Targeted Therapy. So mainly I'm focused on the heart failure, and by using the mouse model or using the different types of the drugs, how does it affect. And for now, I find out, as the results shows, those combination therapies having a protect effect on the heart failure murine model. But actually, it should be more evaluated for the synergistic effect by using these drugs. So after the second trial of this using drug, and we will further evaluate the molecular mechanism and go other further studies. So thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Xiao Fan from Rekyo Park, his lab. My study is about PEG-16 and peroxisome degradation. In my study, we found PEG-16 is not only the peroxisome biogenesis factor, it also regulates peroxisome degradation. And when we inhibit the peroxisome degradation in PEG-16 knockdown cells, it cannot restore peroxisome function. Thank you.
Hi, I am Shukla Dash from 3D Lab. The name of my advisor is Professor Hyuk Seng Kong. Here is my poster. Actually, calcium imaging is a method for visualizing the local concentration of calcium in cells. Actually, calcium acts like a messenger. Astrocytes are complex cells in central nervous system, so it's quite difficult to capture the calcium signal from astrocyte. Here I have discussed about the optical methods and calcium dye technique about how to capture calcium signal from astrocytes. Here is the recorded images, 2D images of calcium signaling in astrocytes. My future prospect is to capture 3D structure of astrocyte by using custom-built 2-photon microscope. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jin-Hong Kim and I am from the T-Neuro Lab. In this poster, we are interested in the correlation between the sleep and the energy metabolism, and we use the cerebrum-1 knockout mouse model. So in this study, we performed the 24-hour baseline EEG recording and the activity field-based circadian recording. As a result, we can find that the decreased non-REM sleep in this figure and the shortened circadian period in this figure. So in the future, we are finding more precise mechanisms. Thank you.
Okay, this is Yu Young-seung from the Neurophotonics Laboratory, and I'm developing a new imaging tool for clear mouse brain. So this is kind of my Lysin microscopy, which is similar to the confocal microscope, but it offers more higher axial resolution and faster scanning speed and more higher axial resolution. So we developed the aberration-free design, and currently the axial resolution is a little bit poor, but I simulated the further results, so I will get a good results in very close time. So.
네, 안녕하세요. 저는 광주과학기술원 김정환 교수님 연구실에서 박사과정으로 재학 중인 이영주입니다. 제가 하고 있는 연구는 이제 육류의 분광기술과 딥러닝을 함께 적용해서 신선도를 센싱하는 연구를 하고 있습니다. 생각보다 이 분광기술을 다양한 곳에 적용할 수 있고, 이제 이처럼 푸드 퀄리티와 관련된 다양한 연구들도 이제 진행하고 있으니까요. 한번 관심 있게 봐주시면 감사합니다.